is absolutely remarkable. R.J. Gritter. Dropping in from above now, again building up the smash, a remarkably different airplane. The high wing Decathlon airplane is, I flew one of these and I could never get it to do the stuff he does. He's so precise and on the numbers and so relaxed, calm, cool, and collected. And right now he's starting up there near the top. And as he gets closer to the ground, building up the energy he needs to complete some of these very intricate, precise aerobatic maneuvers. RJ was here not so long ago with robotics, which he's very involved in. Technology is his thing. He just loves the gizmos and the gadgets and all that technology. You can see the wind aloft pushing him around a little bit, but he is right on the money, so precise.
Looks like Michael Gorey and Patuxent on back.
The nice thing about watching RJ fly too is you can see and start to understand aerobatics if you don't know about that world. You see how important the energy is and the difference between pulling and pushing the negative G and the positive G. Pulling positive G's over the top and all the way around now. You get mushy at the top as you run out of energy, hanging upside down, precisely stopping along the way in these maneuvers, but also when he's pushing the negative G's, and in just a moment, if he pushes out of this maneuver, he's pulling now, but those negative G's allows anybody doing it to revisit breakfast and lunch all over again as the bile and the fluids in your body head upstairs to your eyeballs where the clouds sometimes look pink, very uncomfortable, but he builds up a tolerance, as our aerobatic pilots do, to these G's, and they actually start getting addicted to them.
Like I'm hopping off the griddle, pull up on the camera, trying to keep a flex the rainbow, bang like some Skittles. There's white water pocket. Stop it. Get one again. Never take it out.
Red, white, and blue. R.J. Gritter and his graceful aerobatics. His good friend from CNN, Pete Montine, is going to tell you all about his flying when he comes back this afternoon after this warm-up and really dials it up.
Probably into the early morning.
Yeah, a little fast
Barrel roll.
Knife edge now, not any lift from the wings really at all, flying the fuselage and keeping and maintaining that altitude. He makes it look so easy. Sometimes the easiest things are the most difficult to do, and RJ has mastered the aerobatics in this airplane. Just a joy to watch. So many folks in the community have stepped up so that we can enjoy all of this fun want you to visit the Andromeda Systems Incorporated Innovative Kids Zone at some point today. There's
Now
lots for
we're
the kids to do
covering
to burn
Orchard
energy,
Water.
where the next gen meets the mission and explore hands-on activities that show how aircraft are maintained, tracked, and kept mission-ready. The Department of the Navy does not endorse any company, sponsor, or their products or services, but we thank them for their help here this weekend. Kids Zone sponsor Andromeda Systems, Inc., and we thank them.